following breaking news on the Harvey Weinstein case. The jury's deadlock on two of the most serious charges, and the judge has told them to keep deliberating. CBS News correspondent Nikki Battiste is outside the courthouse. Nikki, what do we know about what happened today?
Well, Rena, just like you just mentioned, I think we're getting a little bit of the mindset of the jurors right now and the difficulty they're having in the deliberation room. They just came back, as you mentioned, and asked the judge in their 11th note to him whether or not they could be hung on the two most serious counts and unanimous on the other three. I'll go through them quickly. The two most serious counts, 1 and 3, are predatory sexual assault. That would potentially send Harvey Weinstein to prison for life, either of those counts. The other 3 counts are a criminal sexual act in the first degree, rape in the first degree, and rape in the third degree. And what's important to realize here in those 2 predatory sexual assault counts is the jurors have to believe at least one of the 2 key witnesses, Miriam Haley, who says Harvey Weinstein forcibly performed oral sex on her at his Soho apartment in 2006. Or they have to believe Jessica Mann, who says that Harvey Weinstein raped her at a hotel here in New York City in 2013. If they believe either of them, they then consider the testimony of the prosecution's strongest witness, former Sopranos actress Annabella Sciorra. She says she was raped by Harvey Weinstein in the early 90s. And she is key because she told a friend, Rosie Perez, the actress, who also testified, and said, look, she told me about this rape right after it happened. So she's been an incredibly key witness for the defense. So the jurors are clearly hung up on who they believe, at least, has the prosecution proven this without a reasonable doubt. So we're waiting to hear what the jury decides. They're wrapping up here at 3 p.m. today, so this may go into Monday. They're already in their 4th day of deliberations. Rena?
I was just going to ask you how long you think it might take. I'm also curious, what was the demeanor of the jurors there? Is there anything you could read from that?
They've been really attentive throughout the trial, taking notes, but today they appeared visibly exhausted, frustrated. At one point, just before the lunch break, they asked if they could all go outside for 10 minutes. So they're looking, it's hard to imagine what it is like to be on a jury, and they have people's lives in their hands. Harvey Weinstein, who's been pretty confident throughout the trial, telling reporters as he's gone in and out that he isn't nervous, has been noticeably quieter as he's gone in and come out of court throughout the jury deliberations. Rena?
Nikki Battiste outside the courthouse in New York. Nikki, thank you very much.